backpack on. About to give y'all a little cold start. The car, I haven't turned it on all day. Let me go to the back just so y'all can hear it. All right. Crazy bumper clock car. Right now, I set the Dunkin' down right there, but about to hop in this bit. Got my little Stanley Cup spot. This back here. I got the AirPods I gotta take from back here. It's just my little baby. Oh, what fell? AirPods fell again. All my people that drive out there, I know the struggle of these AirPods. Let's get this in the 0.5 view. That on real quick. I got the radar on, got everything on. I'm gonna let this baby warm up, and I'm gonna see y'all on the road. I'm not sure it's crazy and stuff. Those some loud ass jakes. All right, guys, so just left Walmart. Oh, got a little sneak peek for the shorty. My shorty, my girl. I'm about to pull up to her crib right now. She's about an hour away, so I'm about to hop on the highway, get there ASAP. Take y'all along for the ride. And yeah, let's do it. There's mad traffic around here. Radar going off and everything. Civic outside right there. Got a Family Dollar van right there. Let me open the sunroof real quick. Yeah, the sunroof popped up a little bit. A little bit. Bit of swim action going on right now. We gotta drive efficiently out here. Yeah, we gotta drive efficiently out here when this car's going in. Trying to see if there's any cops up ahead. I don't see any. But I know they be saying, oh, I think that's a cop sitting right there. Oh, shit. Freaking state trooper. State trooper truck sitting right there. Now that he passed state trooper, though, he's going to be on the ride. Better. Alright, so on any bridge, you know, we gotta give it a little bit of gas. We're going down to New York City. Alright, now it's really about to be 2 lanes. But but lower downpipe, pushing about 330 horsepower. Intakes, lower downpipe, oil catch can. I gotta check my oil catch can, I ain't gonna lie. I don't even know where it's at right now. Could be low. Could be almost full, so yeah. Might have to check that in a little bit. But yeah, it looks like there's a lot of traffic, not gonna lie. I don't know, this camera don't focus. There's like a lot of traffic up there. I'm trying to maneuver my way through this. Yeah, this truck fine moving to the right lane, hogging in the left lane. Hey, when trucks do that, holding everybody up. Yeah, this car mad fun. See, this guy got some space up ahead of him. I'm trying to get like up there, I ain't gonna lie. Hold on, I can't see it, but I'm trying to get like up there where all those cars are at, so I can pass this little traffic right here. Faking a little hurry. Once that radar goes off, gotta step on the brakes a little bit. Gotta pump them brakes. Hold up. Alright. After this, I might just check the oil catch can. Hopefully I didn't leave my gas tank open or anything. I ain't gonna lie, this guy bugging up here. My son keeps swaying back into those little side currents. He just went all on that and came right back. Alright, we're driving with the right hand though. Oh, he doing it again. I don't know why he doing that. I think these guys up here is going fast slow. Like, if you're not going more than 80, I'm going 75 basically. If you're not going more than 80, why are you in this lane? Come on. I'm about to pass these guys. Gotta drive safe, guys. Back at it again with the guy going. Let's see if I can pass him real quick. That on right there. Come on. With us. I don't know if I can make that. I'm gonna try. Hey man, you gotta take some risk in this world. Gotta take risk in this world though, I ain't gonna lie. Gotta take them risks. Cause Pete, right when I do that, look at all these guys catching up behind me. It's like they come out the matrix once they see someone doing something crazy. speeding up, my heart, in your little Kia. Oh, you not trying to get past? What's up? Hold on, my heart. Stop playing. Who is that? Nigga really sped up. You go with 80 miles an hour. You see me about to pass you, you start speeding up. What's up with that? Come on, bro. My guy really started to speed up. What type of timing you on, my heart? You going mad slow. I'm about to pass you. Oh, we about to go past some horses. Hopefully I can see the horses right there. My son getting some air and whatnot. Got the horses right there. Yeah. What my son was on though? He was really trying to. I'm passing you on the right because you're going mad slow on the left and you're going to speed up. I'm in a Q50, my guy. He lucky I ain't giving full throttle. Yo, listen to that. Come on. I don't think I can make this one because he seems to be going at a good rate of speed, but we're going to see though. Q50 mad quick. Oh, shit. Yeah, I did it. That's crazy. Oh, there's some road debris. Oh, someone popped their tire. Oh, nah. That's crazy. Someone really popped their tire. I'm about to drive on the right. Someone really popped their tire, though. Yeah, I got about a couple more miles left before I exit. I'm trying to get there as quickly as I can, going like 80, 90. My radar about to go off again right when we get actually coming past through this. Yep, what I told you. It always goes off these same places. I drive around here a lot, so it always goes off. Slow down to like 80. Never really know. Like 75, speed limit 65. No more cop. Everything legal. Don't lie, bro. There's like a truck. There's like at least 20 cars in front of me right now. There's like a truck. I don't know if y'all can see it. It's all the way over there. He holding everybody up. Going like 65 miles an hour. What the fuck? Yo. Pick up the pace, my boy. Damn, this the stuff that I hate. Like, you be driving and now there's even more cars lined up behind me. All the cars I passed, all just caught up. They right behind me now. I'm like, yo, fine, this guy moved over. Like, y'all see it? He finally moved over. But jeez, Louise. Yeah, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Now everyone on this lane going 65, bro. Hey, nigga just fucked up the whole traffic pattern. I don't know if y'all can see through my rear view. There's mad cars behind me. Shit, I'm about to exit soon anyways, but damn, son just held me up. OD. Alright, guys, so speed limit for here is 35. Jeez, let me go down to 45 at least. Shit. I don't know where the cop at. Oh, I see the state trooper right there. Straight. That's cool. He's right ahead of me. Left right here. But got off the highway now. So I'm gonna drop this ride along soon enough. No, New York roads is horrible, so it's mad bumpy on that. was something I wanted to say. Oh yeah, gas tank. Y'all look in the previous clips, earlier in the video. Y'all gonna see my gas tank really ain't moved much. You know, I'm happy for that. I ain't gonna lie. But yeah. I'm like 20 something minutes away from her, so I'm like 25 minutes away. I'm gonna try to cut that down to like 20 minutes, stuff like that. But the rest of this part, for the next part, it's gonna be a little boring. It's like 40. I think the speed limit is like 40, so pick up back the camera when I get closer. Over there. Also, I might buy like a GoPro, probably for like POV drives and whatnot. I think I'm about to do that soon. You guys let me know, because right now I use my phone. Alright guys, picking up the vlog back again. Damn, it's like a pretty, it's like all the way down and then it goes all the way up. And you can't even pass, which is shitty. But yeah, I like this little drive to her crib and stuff. It's pretty, it's one lane and whatnot. I wish it was two. Make traffic go way smoother if it was 2 lane. Cause then I'll just be in the left lane passing everybody. Turn this 20-minute ride into like a 10-minute ride real quick. But at least you could like fake pass, but I'm not really in the mood to pass right now. Maybe I should pass. Maybe on the next one I'll pass. It's a nice drive though. It's like windy roads and whatnot. Yeah. Nice chill driving. Driving. Alright guys, so car ahead of me just went away, so about to do like a little fly and have some fun right now. Sorry about the camera. It's a little tiring holding the camera up and shit. I don't know how safe it is to pass him right now. Let's see, there's like a little turn right there, but I'm like 5 minutes away. This guy's going like the speed limit, though. That's the thing. I'm jacking that, to be honest. Gotta live up there in that little dirt road. Alright, bet. We're fired there, John. This guy just pulled out while I was going like 80. What the fuck, nigga? Going like 80, I had to come all the way down to like 40. This guy just pulled out just like that. Jesus Christ. Damn.